Before coming to the new grounds, I'll just give a brief background, my lord, what had happened in this case.
Yeah, go ahead.
There's this petitioner. Here is a,
Under which section?
my lord, this is a case under sections 189(2), 1172, 121(2), 3082, 61(2), 109, 174, and 54. Basically, attempt to murder and assaulting a public servant, my lord, in duty. The lordship would remember this dispute had taken place during panchayat elections, my lord, and yes, my lord, that case. This petitioner, my lord, is a member of.
Why do you want interim bail now?
Not interim, my lord. CD is there, my lord.
Oh, CD is there.
CD is there. This petitioner is, my lord, the member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And in a minority area, he was a representative of BJP. So that was one of the reasons why there was a lot of discord between him and the members of the other minority community. So during the time of the election, my lord, some dispute took place and police personnel was also deployed there. And 40-50 people, my lord, and a scuffle took place, and this person, the police personnel, got injured. So this FIR was registered. Last time, my lord, when this bail application was rejected, my lord. At that time, my lord, there are certain materials which were not there, including the injury report. Because, my lord, subsequent to the rejection of this bail application, we had filed other regular bail applications, where your lordship, after seeing the case diary, had granted those people, my lord, regular bail. So one of our grounds is, my lord, that co-accused have been granted bail. Another ground is that, my lord, from the last time it was also disclosed during hearing, that the injury which was sustained, my lord, it was not a serious injury, my lord. And thirdly, my lord, this petitioner is also suffering from some health issues, my lord. So we have given that those documents. So, my lord, health issues. Secondly, the injury.
This was, you have new grounds?
These are the new grounds, my lord.
Okay, what do we have? Are there materials against him?
Some materials will be there because last time also your lordship found some materials and rejected. But new grounds being injury, my lord, progress of investigation.
See, I do not bring out the materials on record so that you may be granted bail in some other place or maybe by the trial court or so that is why I do not bring out the materials on record. Otherwise, if there are materials, only then I reject bail.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, I do not reject bail.
Some materials were there. That is why your lordship was rejected. Now, new grounds being, my lord, first of all, my lord, progress of investigation, release of the co-accused persons on bail, and the nature of the injury sustained by the victim, my lord.
No. Government official, what type of nature? What kind of nature do you want?
Well,
what nature?
Allegation is 109.
He is a policeman. He is going and discharging his duty. Why he should sustain grievous injuries? Simple injury is also
sufficient.
A simple assaulting and simple pushing is sufficient.
Pushing is sufficient.
So, my lord, that is the offense, my lord. Offense will be attracted. The earlier 353 offense will be attracted. We are only seeking, my lord, bail. Trial court will decide what role I have played, and eventually, if found guilty, I will be punished accordingly. My submission is that this is not a case of 109, my lord. If it's not a case of 109, if it's only a case of assaulting a public servant, the punishment is 2 years. No, only in the sense, my lord, compared to 109, my lord. Compared to 109, punishment is only 2 years. That aspect, my lord, and progress of investigation, release of co-accused, my lord, and the health condition of the petitioner.
Okay, what do you have?
The materials.
Health condition, my lord, I have given. He is suffering from, my lord, hyperglycemia, my lord, it is high diabetes, acute kidney injury, peripheral neuropathy, and another HTN that I do not know, my lord. HTN, I don't understand that. But these are the health conditions. Only seeking bail, my lord, otherwise he will participate in the trial.
Which page? Which page?
My lord, the medical document. My lord, page 29 onwards. 29, my lord, he was admitted in the hospital and then he was released. And then 30 is the certificate by the attending doctor.
What is his name?
Mujibur Rahman, man. Is also of May, my lord. So if investigation has progressed, whatever participation is required, I will participate, my lord.
Where's the FIR?
FIR, your lordship will find that page. Transmitted copy at page 12, my lord.
And medical documents?
Medical documents, my lord, page 29 and 30. Co-accused bail, my lord, from 31 onwards.
Yes, PP, what do you have to say?
Lordship, regarding their material involvement, that is their lordship, as it is lordship. Earlier, lordship has rejected the
Yes, yes.
material. And the injury report,
Stated something against him.
lordship, that is there. Materials are against him. And regarding medical, that is simple, but lordship has already stated lordship that there is no need of previous injury, lordship. The last Ionut lordship may kindly see that part is the development maybe lordship see, otherwise lordship there is no new town. That Ionut some progress is there, lordship, that part is there, otherwise no new town.
Why is you not submitting the charge sheet since the month of May?
But already actually lordship from the Ionut I have come to know lordship that earlier IO has been transferred to another place, so new IO has come. So that is his opinion regarding that almost it is completed. So he may file it search it from the Ionut.
Are they getting influenced?
My lord,
Are they getting influenced? Why just
I
people
don't-
don't submit the charge sheet?
so
Since the
perhaps
month of
because
May.
this person is pending, bill is pending, so
Okay.
maybe that may be a reason also.
Hmm.
I don't think they are influenced, because if they influenced, they would have filed it immediately so that they could get bail, as it is already investigation is almost completed. Yeah, for that. Therefore, materials are definitely materials are intake lordship. Nothing, no new. Nothing.
But they're not submitting charge sheet.
It is ready to submit almost.
Okay, then. Under your objection, considering the ailment and then the injuries
Sustained by the
by the complainant Digonda Halloy.
Yeah.
He has sustained injuries, no? Simple
Lordship.
injuries.
Diganta Hello sustained.
This was not before us when the earlier order was passed,
No, earlier bail was rejected.
but this medical certificate was not before us.
I was not appearing that time, my lord. Some other advocate was
I
there.
don't know.
Which is the order?
My lord.
Rejection order.
Rejection order, my lord. Page 25, my lord. Page 25.
I think that medical report was not before us at the time.
Maybe because it is received now.
Our learned counsel, Mr. S. Nawaz, for the petitioner, Mujibur Rahman, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNW Student 23 with prayer for bail as the petitioner is apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. It is submitted that, what is your ground?
My lord, medical ground, my lord. First ground is medical. Second, my lord, progress in the investigation, including release of the co-accused. Third is, my lord, that the nature of injuries which was sustained by the victim, my lord, does not make it an offense under section 109. My lord.
The petitioner has, it is submitted that the earlier bail petition was rejected, and now the petition is before this court on change of circumstances, which the petitioner is suffering from serious ailment.
Page 30, my lord.
Annexure
4, my lord.
Annexure 4.
Starts from 28, my lord.
Annexure 4 says are the medical documents, including the discharge certificate and the certificate relating to the ailment of the petitioner, wherein it is stated that the petitioner was under the treatment of Dr. Afzal A.M. Loskar, who is A.M. Loskar at Nagaon, who has stated that the petitioner is suffering from uncontrolled hyperglycemia, acute kidney injury, peripheral neuropathy and peripheral neuropathy.
HTN, my lord, I do not know, my lord. I tried to find out.
Neuropathy, HTN, since 29/6/2025 to 30/6/2025. It is further submitted that the medical legal report which has been submitted indicates that the victim has sustained simple injuries, which implies that that this cannot be a case under section 109 IP BNS. To stop. The learned additional PP, Mr. P.F. Lawford, has raised serious objections stating that there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. To stop. I have also scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials against the petitioner. To stop. I have considered the submission that the petitioner is willing to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon him. I have also considered the submission that the petitioner is a local resident and he is not a flight fix. So I have considered the submission that all the co-accused,
Not only the arrested co-accused have been gathered.
that the arrested co-accused have been released on bail. Considering all aspects, petition is allowed. In the event of his arrest, the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week from the date of this, within 1 week from the date of this.
Can you make it 10 days, 3 days holidays are there, so copy may not get, madam. 10 days, madam.
No, she will give you a copy ticket. You apply before 1 week. From the date of this order. Number 2, the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. Number 3, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged. Number 4, the petitioner shall not exercise threat to the witnesses or tamper with the evidence. The petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order shall automatically stand cancelled, send back the CD.
I'm deeply obliged.